Hello, today I'm going to show 3 signs related to one English word. That word is what? U-S-E, use. Again, use. There are 3 words. Use, like to use something. Used to, meaning in the past, used to. And used to, meaning getting comfortable. Okay, I'll show you now. You're learning ASL with Meredith. Today, 3 signs for use. Stick around until the end for practice sentences. Use. The U hand shape. Palm in like this. Use. Or you can turn the palm around to face outward. Use. Use. So use or use. Used to, as in the past. The 5 hand shape, palms sideways, circles backward. Used to or previously. Sometimes the hand will be lower in front of the shoulder. Used to or previously. In the past. Want to learn more about time and tense? Visit aslmeredith.com/time. Used to it or accustomed to something. The 5 hand shape closes into a fist on the back of the opposite hand. And the bottom hand may close as well. Used to. To be used to something. Also, sometimes it's just the fists. And this sign can also mean habit. The word habit. Sometimes you'll fingerspell habit. Or just like this, habit. A habit or to be used to. Let's review. Here are 6 practice sentences. Translations and explanations for these sentences are linked in this video's description. For a phone, I use Android. During travel, for taking pictures, do you use a camera, a phone, which? Running? In the past, I hated it. Now, I enjoy. Pets? In the past, I had. Now, I don't have any. LA traffic is awful, but I'm used to it. ASL class, voice off. Some students don't like it, they get nervous, they think it's tough, but it's important to get used to it, and they will. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and you want to learn more ASL, don't forget to click like plus subscribe. Tap the bell for new videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And if you like this video, you'll love our online beginner courses. Get more lessons about vocabulary and grammar so you can become conversation confident. See you there.